There has been a deluge of speculation about Samsung's next big thing, and if we didn't know better, we might assume that the Galaxy S24 lineup is just around the corner. However, given the overwhelmingly positive reception of the Galaxy S23 lineup, we don't expect to see the probably phenomenal sequels to that series until 2024. Given that the next unpacking event is still at least a 5-month period away, Samsung has plenty more time to rethink and rework its present plans for the Galaxy S24 series, including the delayed release timeline and numerous specifications and features. It's no secret that Samsung makes the displays for both Apple's high-end iPhones and Samsung's own flagship models, but not all panels are created equally, and the iPhone 15 lineup is almost certainly going to use the most luxurious and cutting-edge handset displays currently on the market. Because a higher number is always higher than a lower one in the mobile phone sector, the Galaxy S24 lineup may take things to the next level in just a few months with cutting-edge new M13 technology, which is anticipated to increase the overall quality and maybe minimize the thickness of the M12 screens and devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Unbelievably, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus may be able to share that honor with their larger brother, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, until the autumn 2024, when Apple will be capable to use Samsung's 13th generation MLA panel too. Until then, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to define a new gold standard in terms of display performance. While there may be changes in actual screen resolution between the three Galaxy S24 variants depending on manufacturing volume, the family, as a whole, has the potential to outperform Apple's latest iPhones, the 15th generation, across the board. The Galaxy S24 is double the local digital collecting room of the least costly Galaxy S23 model and increases the memory count of all storage variants by a very significant 4 GB, as it is also checked to pack 12 GB RAM and offer 256 GB of internal storage space in the entry-level configuration. If this occurs, it's safe to assume that the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will also ship with 12 GB of RAM, with the latter device possibly throwing in as much as 16 GB of the good stuff in a flagship model that might give a whopping terabyte of storage space. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.